So yeah, we're gonna be digging a little trench today down to a pump house in some new property that my brother-in-law has tapped. They've got the lines all run, and this is going to be the vacuum house. So we need to get power down there so we can keep heat on and everything. Should be a fun little project. Good thing is we've got help, so we'll get up there and get started. Thanks for watching Summit Outdoors. Hope you enjoy the video. 17 degrees, gotta love it. Well, we got the Bobcat on the rollback. That was the easiest way to move it today. All the trailers were buried, so pretty exciting weekend. Lots to do. Hopefully get a few days of riding in here this next week. It's looking good. Cold temperatures, more snow on the way. Lake effect snow is ramped up. It's going right across Erie Lake right now, hitting western New York, coming way down into the southern tier. Like I said, we've got 11 inches yesterday I measured. So see you soon. Well, this is where we're at so far. Got the little digger on there. Got me going down around this corner right here, down to that shed right there. You can just barely see it. That's where the pump station is. Not too bad in here in the cab. Got the good job today. Guy with the machine staying warm. But I'll turn the camera around and show you the trench we got so far. There it is. This little digger thing works pretty good for digging trenches. You just gotta get back down in there and keep cleaning out the little groove. And then I lay the thing sideways and pull the dirt up. Wish I could show you. So I lay this down sideways like this. Then just move the dirt like this up the bank with that. You just keep digging, just keep scratching it out. That's the trench so far. Report back in a little bit. Them boys are probably cold out there. Well, maybe not. They're moving around. Trench so far. Well, here's our targeted spot to get down to right here. Is this pump station. We're gonna have a vacuum pump in here, and we're gonna have a holding tank somewhere in the vicinity over here. Turn around here. Digging up around here, just right around the corner, not too much further. Dozer's helping out backfilling. We are all the way down to the pump house now, so mission accomplished. Came right down that road down to the pump house, so that's gonna do it for today. We're gonna call her quits because it's gonna be dark soon, and it is snowing out, cold, 17 degrees this morning. I don't think it's warmed up much. Yeah, get this machine home and call it a day. Well, we had to move a tank down here, down by the pump house as well. Got it strapped up to the excavator. Just wait for them guys to get the timbers set. Snowing out pretty good. This tank here will be a holding tank. Well, I guess we're getting out of here. About time. There she be. Minutes to 5. Getting things buttoned up here, so everybody's pretty cold. It's 16 degrees out right now. But there's the hut. There's the tank over there. It's all set up, ready to rock and roll. Gonna get this machine loaded on the rollback and take it home and call it a day. Thanks for watching Summit Outdoors. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Won't be long. We'll be tapping trees, so stay tuned.